Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about glycolysis. Glycolysis means glucose degradation. Glycolysis is a metabolic pathway that converts glucose into pyruvate. Glycolysis occurs in 3 stages and it has 10 steps and 10 different enzymes. The first stage is the priming stage or the investment stage. That means you have to give ATP to gain ATP. As in a business, you have to give money to gain money. ATP is like money. So in the first reaction, glucose is converted into glucose 6 phosphate by the help of the enzyme hexokinase. Uh, Remember this enzyme hexokinase. In the liver, you have another isozyme called glucokinase. So this reaction is very important. Uh, this reaction is not a reversible reaction. Uh, this After you produce glucose 6 phosphate, you can't go through plasma membrane because of the negativity of this phosphate group. So glucose is trapped inside the cell. The second reaction, uh, in the second reaction, glucose 6 phosphate is converted into fructose 6 phosphate. This is the isomerization reaction. So the third step, this is also very important step. Fructose 6 phosphate converts into fructose 1,6 bisphosphate. You can see two phosphate groups. Bis means two. So uh, uh, remember this enzyme phosphofructokinase 1. This is also very important enzyme, uh, and this is a regulatory reaction. So this is not a reversible reaction. The fourth step, uh, this is a splitting reaction. Fructose 1,6 base phosphate splits into glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate and dihydroxyacetone phosphate. So you can see 6 carbon molecule fructose 1,6 bisphosphate has splits into 2 3 carbon molecules. So remember that only glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate can proceed immediately through glycolysis. Uh, the fifth reaction, dihydroxyacetone phosphate and glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate are isomers. So as I told before, only glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate can proceed immediately through glycolysis. So you need to convert dihydroxyacetone phosphate into glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate to go through glycolysis. The sixth step, now we are in the energy harvesting stage or the payoff stage. In this reaction, glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate is oxidized into 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate. This is a high energy compound. That means you can produce ATP from this compound. So seventh step, as I told before, 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate is a high energy compound, so you can produce ATP from that compound. So 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate is converted into 3-phosphoglycerate. And remember this reaction, this is a substrate level phosphorylation. Eighth step, 3-phosphoglycerate converts into 2-phosphoglycerate by the help of the enzyme phosphoglycerate mutase. The ninth step, the 2-phosphoglycerate converts into phosphoenol pyruvate. Phosphoenol pyruvate is also a high energy compound, so that means you can produce ATP from that molecule. Uh, the 10th and the final step, phosphoenol pyruvate converts into pyruvate and it produces ATP by the help of the enzyme pyruvate kinase. Remember this enzyme. So the 7th and the 10th steps are the substrate level phosphorylation reaction, and the 1, 3 and the 10th reactions are not reversible. So those are the very important reaction in this glycolysis. So remember this enzyme by marked in red. That's it. Glycolysis.